So for all of you who are here watching later, in the show notes, you have our guest CEO, Tomer Kashi Voom's website link, voom.com. You have the article there, and you have this, okay? This is our Amazon affiliate link. I mean, we've been saying this for months, years that I've been doing it. You should not be driving without without a dash cam, okay? And I'm going to play you guys the dash cam footage. My personal dash cam is Display Ride, which uploads directly to the cloud, but there are some great sales going on now on Amazon. So those links are also on the show notes. Please go check them out. I'm going to play this short couple of videos for you guys. This guy uses Display Ride. And after the video, is up, I will talk about it. So you guys can see here, it's a Display Ride. The reason I have it, well, let me see. Yeah, okay, so this is muted because it had some music in it. But so this gentleman is waiting for the rider to show up. This is how Display Ride in-car camera looks. This is the camera I use, displayride.com. If you don't have it, please go get it. It's like with the RSG code, it's $10 a month. So he's talking to the rider already. I will fill you guys in what's going on, right? Let me just pause it real quick. So what in this situation, what's happening is that the rider, this female right here, you guys can see, I'm going to play the rest of the video in a second. The female is smoking literally right next to the car, right? And this guy, the poor driver, is watching her smoke. And, she asks him, can I smoke in the car? I'm going like, what? No, right? And this is what the guy is saying. So the conversation is already going sideways, you guys can tell from his facial features. And then now the guy goes, I'm allergic to smoke. And this idiot is going to just finish the puffing and huffing while I'm waiting. The clock is going, right? I would have just canceled and went right in front of her, because you're not getting in my car when you just smoked a cigarette in like 30 seconds. And then you're going to make my car smell like shit, right? And but this driver says, you should, I'm going to cancel the ride because, I'm allergic to smoke, and you shouldn't, when you come in my car, it's going to smell like an ashtray, right? So continuing with the video, so there you guys can see it's getting a little animated. He goes, it doesn't matter. He goes, I'm going to cancel the trip. I cannot put you in the car. Now, you guys can have your own opinions about this and put it in the chat. I mean, if somebody is doing this to you and talking to you and asking you, see, he just put his window up, he canceled, he moved. He's about to move. And here she goes, right? Here she goes. And what do you guys think she just did? Okay. And here you go. And this is what she did. Watch this. Bang. Right? And I'm going like, piece of garbage. So he puts a dent in the driver's car. What do you guys think about that? What do you guys think about that? Right? And this is what we're dealing with. And then I'll bet you anything, people, she's going to, right? She's going to send a fraudulent fake email or, notify Uber or Lyft about what happened and say, this guy was racist, this guy was this, this guy was that, right? And what's going to happen to that driver? Deactivated or suspended at least. Yeah, there you go. Devo. Yeah, I can't either. But this is what happens. This is what happens without a dash cam. If you guys don't have a dash cam, right? And none of this would be evidence, right? Okay. And this guy actually kept his cool. And then at the end, he just stopped the car, and then he said he's going to call the police, which I think he should, because that's assault. He put a dent on the guy's car, on the guy's door. This well, I'm going to say this fat slob, put a dent in the guy's car. Look at it. There you go. She goes like, she's like moving away. Bang. And then This is the type of people we're dealing with, Uber and Lyft. You guys are watching this? I sent this to you guys already. So this is the type of garbage we're dealing with, okay? This is the people you're putting on your platforms. So luckily, the guy had a display right dash cam, and boom, the evidence is there. If he gets deactivated, display right has deactivation protection. Immediately send the video footage to Uber or Lyft, and you should be okay. So please have a dash cam. And if you're driving without a dash cam, please, even if you're driving minimal hours, you must have a dash cam. So our affiliate links are in the show notes as well. These are some good dash cams, actually. But none of them upload to the cloud except display right. Like, if something is going sideways, what is the first thing an idiot, right, is going to do? Grab the dash cam and run to kill the evidence, right? But on display right, they're already plastered in the cloud, so there's no possibility of getting away from that. And so, yeah, please have a dash cam. Please look out for yourself. And what do you guys think? Was this driver right to say, okay, I'm allergic to smoke, I'm not going to let you in my car? Because she already made him wait while the window is down. They're talking, right? She's huffing and puffing. Would you guys let this idiot in the car? Yeah. So I don't know. I mean, I'm always on the driver's side on this one. This trash should not be, she wouldn't have gotten in my car either. But then he was nice enough to wait. I wouldn't have even waited. When I see somebody huffing and puffing, either marijuana or specifically marijuana, or cigarettes, and making me wait, I'll be like, see ya, tailpipes, call another idiot, right? So I would have done that already. Maybe he put himself in this situation. So there you go.
All right, thanks for watching. That short little clip was from our live stream, Show Me the Money Club with Sergio and myself, Tuesdays, 6 p.m. Eastern, 3 p.m. Pacific. Make sure you subscribe, turn on all notifications so you get notified when we go live, as well as all of our awesome content. Make sure to check out this video right here, which will take you to the entire live stream, or check out this video right there. All right, drive smart, everyone.